forest fires, floods, pandemics, wars, terrorism. The world as we know it is grappling with an unprecedented accumulation of crises. In an increasingly interconnected world, the interactions between these individual phenomena present an ever greater challenge. To mitigate the effects of these crises, significant investment is being directed towards research in the hope of finding concrete solutions. However, there is a notable imbalance in research funding between the natural and technical sciences on the one hand and the social sciences and humanities on the other. For instance, from 1990 to 2018, the natural and technical sciences received 770% more funding for climate change research than the social sciences. This imbalance raises questions on two different levels. Why do the findings of the natural and technical sciences have so much more influence on political decision-making than those of the social sciences and humanities? To what extent can the social sciences and humanities help us to understand the complex relationships between the various crises so that political measures can be truly effective? Our research project, Multiple Crises, has explored these questions in depth. We chose two case studies, the COVID-19 pandemic and the climate crisis, and examined them using a range of social science methods. In addition to theoretical conceptual considerations, this included a survey comparing satisfaction with pandemic policy across different countries and a document analysis on the institutionalized recognition of climate change as an existential threat by international organizations such as the UN. In the course of the project, we repeatedly encountered certain aspects that appear to be fundamental in dealing with multiple crises. First, the social dimension of crises, such as growing social inequality, political polarization, or conflicts over future imaginaries, is in urgent need of closer examination by researchers, as it is crucial to the acceptance and acceptability of political crisis governance. Second, structurally, crises are usually tackled individually, despite their increasingly interconnected nature. The social sciences can provide valuable insights in this regard, drawing on systems, complexity, or organizational theory. Third, we are seeing the emergence of new modes of crisis governance with an increasing reliance on preparedness technologies. Preventing the causes of crises often takes a back seat in favor of primarily reactive technological innovations. In conclusion, scientific research into the multiple crises of our time must focus much more on the social complexity and controversial nature of crises and their effects, as well as their systemic and structural entanglements, in order to explore new and more promising forms of crisis governance.